Imagine a place where the sun kisses the sea, where the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the vibrant energy of luxury. Picture a world of opulence and grandeur, nestled between the azure Mediterranean Sea and the towering French Alps. This, dear viewers, is the French Riviera, a paradise on earth, adorned with golden beaches, lush gardens, and glamorous yachts docked in the turquoise waters. Our journey today takes us through the heart of this enchanting region, to the dazzling Principality of Monaco. A haven for the rich and famous, Monaco is a symphony of luxury, culture, and breathtaking beauty compressed into just under 2 square kilometers. As our journey begins, we find ourselves cruising along the iconic streets of Monte Carlo. The city's elegant architecture whispers tales of a rich history, each building a testament to the grandeur of European design. It's impossible to ignore the aura of the famous Casino de Monte Carlo, a quintessential landmark that has been a symbol of luxury and sophistication for over a century. Driving further into the city, we encounter the Prince's Palace, a majestic structure that has been the home of the Grimaldi family for over 700 years. The palace stands proudly on the Rock of Monaco, overlooking the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, commanding respect and admiration from all who lay eyes upon it. Next, we find ourselves meandering through the narrow, winding streets of Monaco Ville, also known as the Rock. This old town is a charming maze of medieval lanes, vibrant shops, and quaint restaurants, offering a delightful contrast to the modern glamour of Monte Carlo. Our journey then takes us to the serene St. Martin Gardens, a tranquil oasis that offers a respite from the bustling city. The lush greenery, blooming flowers, and the soothing sound of the waves crashing against the rocks create a perfect symphony of nature. As we continue, the iconic Grand Prix circuit of Monaco comes into view. This challenging track has seen the world's greatest drivers battle for supremacy, their engines roaring through the city streets, adding a thrilling dimension to Monaco's serene beauty. Finally, we make our way to the Port Hercules, a mesmerizing spectacle of luxury yachts and stunning sea views. This world-class marina, with its impressive array of yachts, epitomizes the opulence and extravagance that Monaco is renowned for. To summarize, our journey through Monaco has offered a glimpse into a world of unparalleled luxury and beauty. From the architectural grandeur of Monte Carlo and the historical charm of Monaco Ville, to the tranquility of the St. Martin Gardens and the thrill of the Grand Prix circuit, Monaco is a destination that captivates and enchants. It's a place where the glamour of the past seamlessly blends with the vibrancy of the present, creating a unique blend of experiences that are as diverse as they are captivating. And as we leave the dazzling lights of the city behind and drive into the sunset, we carry with us memories of a journey like no other.